In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder your pages in Canva. Whether you're working on a stunning presentation, a creative layout, or organizing a comprehensive document, mastering this simple yet essential skill will help you ensure everything flows just right. So, let's get started and streamline your creative process. First, you want to open your project in Canva. This could be any design file you're currently working on. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Canva account and locate the design you wish to reorganize. Once you've opened it, you're ready for the next step. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of the Canva screen. You'll notice a handy grid icon there. This icon is your gateway to viewing all your design pages at once. By clicking on this grid, you'll be able to see thumbnails of all the pages in your project, making it much easier to reorder them as needed. It's a bit like switching from a bird's eye view to a close-up and detailed perspective. Once you're in this grid mode, the process becomes incredibly intuitive. Simply click and hold on the page you want to move. You'll notice the page becomes slightly raised, indicating that it's ready to be moved. Drag it to your desired position within the lineup of pages. This step is a wonderful feature because it gives you the flexibility to rearrange your design with minimal clicks and maximum control. As you drag your page, you'll see the other pages adjust dynamically, creating space for you to drop the page where you want it. When you see that everything is aligned just the way you need, release the page from your cursor grip. If you need to reorder multiple pages, you can repeat this drag and drop action for each one until you are satisfied with the sequence. Remember, if you make a mistake or change your mind about the order, you can always move the pages around until they're perfect. Canva's interface is forgiving, and adjustments are quick and easy, so feel free to experiment with different layouts to find the best fit for your project. Reordering pages in Canva is not only user-friendly, but also a time saver when you're perfecting the flow of your design. This skill allows for enhanced creativity and organization, ensuring that your content is presented in a logical and visually appealing manner. And there you have it. An easy yet effective way to reorder pages in Canva, empowering your work to communicate its message seamlessly. Thanks for watching and have fun designing.